Good day mga gar, may guest tayo, came from China. Matik na naman to, Liang to eh.
Hello.
Where are you from?
China.
Ni hao ma?
你好。
Liang.
谢谢。Thank you.
Yeah. Some of the stone originally came from China. Some of the stone. That's why you can see a Chinese writing.
哎，什么木？
Shimamu? Ano sabi? Shimamu?
不是什么木，那个什么？生之木。
Shimamu?
生之木。
What meaning? What meaning? What meaning?
生之木。
Mumu?
生之木。
Shenshimu?
生之木。
Shaoxin ha? Shaoxin.
谢谢。
Yeah, Lamborghini Filipino size. Ah, coba. Okay. E-R Son. One more. E-R Son. Your photo look like this. Okay? So yun mga gar, papunta tayo ngayon sa kuhaan ng kamyas. Titingnan natin kung may tubo ba ba ito. Let's go. Sa kasamaang palad, makikita nyo naman wala siyang tubo, na harvest na. Pero hanap tayo kahit maliit. Sa kabutihang palad, meron pa tayong mapipitas mga gar. Bali 3 lang kailangan natin. I love it. At yun, nakakuha tayo ng 3 piraso mga gar. Ano pang gagawin? Hugasan na yan. It's kamyas.
It.
Yeah, for you and for me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
好酸。
Ready?
Okay.
E-R Son. One more. E-R Son. Look. Okay. Liang.
漂亮。
Liang. Stop. So this one, sample of bahay na bato or stone house. The bottom was made by stone, the top was made by wood. So when earthquake hit the building, it not totally collapsed. So that's Sipanyang house. Rich Sipanya. Yeah. So inside is the showcase of old furniture and stuff of the rich Spanish. Pampauto check muna tayo mga gar. Pampauto check. Pampauto. Mamo. Pampauto. Smell it. Ano? Tama yan. Okay. E-R Son. You look in there. E-R Son. Last one. Look there, ah. E-R Son. Look at here. E-R Son. Wow. Okay, next.
Oh, very good.
Okay. E-R Son. Looking. E-R Son. Portrait. E. Yeah. One foot back. One foot down. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Looking there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look.
Oh.
Good.
好看。
Liang.
啊，好看。
Good. You can enter, it's free. Good.
Yeah.
Happy.
Very happy.
All good in the hood.